Hi YouTube friends, this is Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. So today in this video we want to go over the install of our crossbar handle on our screen door. So it just adds that extra security when you exit your RV, and the main reason is our grandbabes. They just didn't have anything to hold on to on the way out. They were pinching their fingers in here. So let's get right into this.
When you buy this, don't bother using the template they provide. Just hold it on the door where you want it. We went lower so our grandbabes could reach it easily. Have someone measure the distance between the screw holes from left to right. Put it on a floor upside down and remeasure it to get it where you want it, and mark each end where to drill.
Better on, babe?
Besides adding easier exit protection, this Camco Screen Door Crossbar Handle will also add sturdiness to your screen door. The bar will adjust between 20 1/4 inches and 28 inches. This goes without saying, but make sure the door will open and close freely and that you have it at the desired height, because you have one shot at this, because you will be putting holes in your screen door.
Okay, let's see if it fits. All right, it looks like we measured just great. So now we're going to level it and put it where we want it. And then we'll just drill through without going all the way through the door. We start by going slow so it doesn't slip. Of course, it doesn't mean it won't slip. Yep, we're looking good. There we go. And I like to drill them in by hand if I can, just to kind of get it started here. And we'll get it snug, but not too tight that we can move this to level it. And I think before we do this bottom one, we're going to just put the level on, and we're going to put one on the left hand side. That looks about level to the eye. What do you think, Oma? How does it look?
Perfect.
Use my left hand. Let's try it. Can I get it in there straight? Yep, there we go. Does that look straight? Alright, we'll get that one snug. And we'll come back to the other side and we'll snug this one. This is not to over tighten them. There we go. That looks pretty good.
Looks great.
So I think, Oma, we'll put another, we'll just go right in the center here. And then we'll get this other one while we're at it. A little off, but I think it'll work. So I think we can get this one pretty snug. There we go. There. What do you think, Oma?
Looks good.
Let's try it from the outside. Let's see.
Sure, that'd be
a little
safer.
dirty in the camper. You want to come out, Oma? All right, here we go. That's what it looks like from the outside. I think it looks good. So the grandkids were pinching their hands in here when they were opening it before. So now we have this such that when this is shut, it's snug. You don't have to move the latch to move it in and out. You can just push it in or out, it'll stay. And so that's why the kids were getting their fingers caught. So now they can open and close it here. And I don't think they're gonna get their fingers caught anymore. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Silver Lining Daydreams. That way it helps others to find us, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.